just a walking in the rain.
What is a public address system? Some may refer to it as the sound reinforcement system, while some know it as the distributed broadcast system. But whatever it may be, we know for sure that the outcome is sound amplification via electronic devices, which is distributed through speakers to a large audience. The equipment involved are the audio mixing unit, microphones, amplifiers, speakers, and some switching devices to broadcast music or speech at a certain open or closed environment. Allow us to journey through the evolution of the public address system. In our modern world, the PA system has become more than just a tool for audio broadcasting. It is now also used in safety and security systems in order to deliver clear and precise information in the event of an emergency, alarm, or notification of time. Now, let us take you through another short journey. This is our story, the story of Amperes, how it began, our promise of quality, and our vision to become a global competitor. It all began in 1999, the time when the Asian financial crisis was at its peak and had affected the purchasing power of most organizations as well as government agencies. Imported products were then a luxury as prices were skyrocketing due to weak local currency value. Alternative products were much sought after, and thus came the solution in the name of Amperes. Amperes Electronics started as a sole proprietorship company, but was later converted into a private limited entity in the year 2000. Amperes came from humble beginnings, working from the corner of a small office with a few staff, yet each product was customized to customers' requirements. With emphasis on quality and fine workmanship, our products earned client satisfaction. As demand increased, Amperes had to find alternative ways of delivering on time and with even better quality. Moreover, it was never Amperes' goal to simply produce complementary devices to fulfill the gaps in established brands. Following our vision, standard items were engineered to provide a total solution under one roof, Amperes Electronics. We faced mountains of challenges in the industry that was once dominated by Western and Japanese brands. To achieve our goals, we realized that there was simply no other way but to provide the market with strong alternative economical products of reasonable quality. From there on, there was no turning back. We grew steadily to become a respected SMI with our proud trademark, and Amperes became known as the perfect paging companion. Amperes' first standard product was the ZS601, a 6-channel speaker zone selector. In time, newer models were introduced to upgrade existing features or include better ones. As of today, more than 100 models are available and the number continues to grow. Research and development is one of the core elements that drive reliable and user-friendly market-oriented equipment. Our in-house R&D team works closely with industry players. We collect valuable feedback in order to create equipment that fulfills their needs. Our continuous product improvement policy ensures swift response to criticism and proposals. With our motto of precision design, absolute confidence, we strive to instill complete trust with our customers through premium quality products and services that exceed expectations. The birth of a new product begins from the warehouse, a place where raw materials first enter the manufacturing process. Raw materials are chosen from reliable sources, while the IQC is performed before the initial sub-assembly process. Like any other manufacturing plant, it is important that raw materials are properly stored and organized in a way that would not damage the parts. Inventories are always monitored, and parts are replenished in time to ensure a short delivery lead time for every order. The process of making a product begins with the sub-assembly. Raw materials such as electronic components are assembled to PCB to produce WIP parts. Other sub-assembly processes include wire harnessing, silk screening of metal parts, and spray painting. Prior to the main assembly, various parts that have been assembled or called WIPs are tested to ensure that only good working parts are delivered to the main assembly line. Main assembly work is performed under the watchful eyes of experienced supervisors, and only trained workers are allowed to perform this task. To ensure that every product leaving the factory is faultless, rigorous tests are conducted using contemporary methods to avoid human error. The final quality check is done by human and machine in order to deliver trustworthy and reliable products to every consumer. Just like any other brand, Amperes faced a struggle to tap the mature and crowded market from day one. With limited resources but great persistence, Amperes has managed to grow rapidly in terms of market share, with positive figures marking every yearly turnover. As of today, thousands of customers have benefited from using Amperes as their paging engine, echoing our pledge to offer reliable and economical solutions to complex requirements. Amperes now has footing not only in Malaysia, but internationally throughout the Southeast Asia countries, sub-Indian continents, as well as the Middle East. Quality products, we believe, comes from quality management. Ever since being certified ISO 9001 in the year 2005, Amperes has benefited from the system in terms of its management, and this has contributed indirectly towards improving our product quality. The greatest asset of any great entity is its people. Amperes shares that thought, and therefore we value the contribution of every member in the organization. We endeavor to enrich our human capital through training and motivation, ensuring the growth of a harmonious company. As the saying goes, good fruits grow from a healthy tree. We aim to cultivate that belief. Customers' acceptance and recognition are the fuel to the growth of Amperes. We never fail to listen, turning criticism into suggestion and taking compliments as encouragement to improve further. We value each and every idea, as we believe that without you, there will be no Amperes. Thank you for your support, and we look forward towards serving you better.